A 17-year-old boy was stabbed to death in the Ghazipur area of East Delhi during the early hours of Sunday. The shocking incident took place near District Park area and has raised concerns among local residents. Police have launched an investigation and are searching for the accused. According to police officials, the incident occurred at around 12:30 am. Preliminary investigations revealed that 3 individuals were involved in the attack. The teenager was allegedly assaulted with a sharp weapon during the incident. Local residents informed the police after the victim was found seriously injured. Emergency services were altered and the boy was rushed to medical assistance. However, he succumbed to his injuries. The exact cause of the dispute leading to the attack is still being investigated. Police teams reached the spot soon after receiving information about the incident. The area was secured and forensic experts were called to collect evidence. Investigators examined the crime scene and gathered materials that could help identify and track the suspects. Authorities stated that a case has been registered in connection with the murder. Statements of witnesses and local residents are being recorded. Police are also reviewing CCTV footage from nearby locations to trace the movements of the accused before and after the crime. Officials said that all 3 accused are currently absconding. Multiple teams have been formed to locate and arrest them. Raids are being conducted at several locations and police believe that the suspects will be apprehended soon. The victim's identity has been established and his family has been informed. The tragic death of the teenager has left relatives and residents of the area in shock. Many have demanded swift action against those responsible for the crime. Law enforcement officials have assured that every effort is being made to ensure justice for the victim. They stated that no accused will be spared and that strict action will be taken according to the law. Investigators are exploring all possible angles, including personal rivalry and previous disputes, to determine the motive behind the attack. The incident has once again highlighted concerns over violent crimes involving young people in the national capital. Residents have urged authorities to strengthen security measures and increase police patrolling in vulnerable areas during late night hours. The investigation remains ongoing. Police continue to search for the 3 accused while gathering evidence to establish the sequence of events. Further details are expected to emerge as the probe progresses and authorities move closer to identifying the motive behind the fatal stabbing.
महेश जी, मृतक कौन है आपका?
भतीजा है।
हाँ, क्या नाम है उनका?
उनका राजकुमार नाम है।
हाँ, क्या हुआ, क्या पता लगा आपको?
सर, हमारे पास इंफॉर्मेशन आई थी कि 11 बजे, 11:30 बजे तो हम लोग वहाँ पहुँचे तो व्यक्ति जब तक घायल थे वो और वो उनकी मृत्यु हो चुकी थी क्योंकि ब्लड ज़्यादा निकल गया। 3 चाकू लगे थे, एक यहाँ और 2 यहाँ पीछे, तो वो मृत्यु हो चुकी थी उनकी। तो हम जब तक हॉस्पिटल ले गए, जब तक जवाब दे दिया डॉक्टर ने।
अच्छा, ये कोई कौन था मारने वाला, कुछ पता लगा?
6 व्यक्ति थे। 6 में तो 3 बंद हैं यहाँ पे।
अच्छा।
और ये 3 बंदे बोल रहे हैं कि हमें पता ही नहीं है वो कौन थे। 3 वो भी थे, तो इसका हमें कोई जानकारी नहीं
कोई
है।
लड़ाई झगड़ा था या कोई?
नहीं, आपस के मतलब जैसे अब हम लोग भी आपस में जैसे बैठने जाते हैं पार्क में, कभी यार दोस्त के साथ में, तो ऐसे लोग गए थे, तो अब उन्होंने ऐसा कर दिया, तो अब हमें क्या जानकारी मिलेगी।
हाँ, तो ये कहाँ रहते हैं आपके भाई?
ये फेज 3 में रहते हैं, गड़ौड़ी डेयरी फार्म।
अच्छा, क्या नाम है मृतक का?
राजकुमार।
राजकुमार नाम है उनका? क्या काम करते थे वो?
पेंटर का।
Stay tuned with us for more updates. To like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.